This is an example of a private Yak Pack created by Barry Yon and Bert Canner. Math Scene Investigation is offered to talented and gifted 5th graders in the Salem-Keizer School District in Oregon. The class has both a face-to-face and an online component. These are the students who are in the class. Let me show you some examples of how Barry used Yak Pack with the MSI students. Here, Barry sends out a welcome message to the students.
Hello all you fellow Yak Packers. You're going to love this little piece of software. Simply press the play button to play, the record button to record, and the send button to send.
In this message, Anirudh, a student, gives his answer to a problem that was given out in class.
Mr. Barry Jan and Mr. Bert Canner, this is my paper pool notes. When experimenting with one of the pools, I found that if you put a 2-digit number for either the length or width, the other one should be an 1-digit number. There is one exception though. If you put a 10 and another 2-digit number, you can get it to work in the calculation to find the number of hits.
And here, Barry comments back to Anirudh about his message.
Hi Anirudh. Listening to your presentation on solving the pool table problem was magnificent, and you made us just smile from ear to ear. You kept your presentation very clear, very easy to understand. You kept it right at 2 minutes, and you gave us so many options on how to solve so many different combinations. This is exactly what we were looking for. We are very proud of you. Great job.
In this message, one of the students, Brian, had a problem at home and wanted to communicate that to the teachers.
Something bad happened to our computer, and we had to clean it up, and my dad accidentally deleted the ClassPad Manager version, OS version 2.2 pre-release, and I was wondering if I could get that again, because now I can't back up the data on my ClassPad, and I have done a lot more since we got it cleaned up.
And here, Bailey shares a website that he's found with the rest of the class.
Hi, this is Bailey, and I'm going to tell you about a new site I found called mathworld.com. It is sort of like Wikipedia for math purposes. It has material written by college professors, unfortunately, but a dictionary is quite enough help to understand the writing. I think this is a great site because it tells quite a bit about many, many topics, such as pi and such as Jackson's, Pollock's, paintings in relation to fractal geometry. I thought it was a really neat and interesting site, and I'm really glad I found it.
So this is an example of a private Yak Pack, a Yak Pack that was created not as a project, not to share with other people, but to keep private interactions in a closed group. So you can do assignments, you can field questions from students, you can give encouragement to students, you can even grade students on their assignments in Yak Pack and use it as a way to communicate back and forth, whether you have a face-to-face classroom or a virtual learning environment.